What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today is a very different type of video for me, which I have to be honest with you guys, I'm a little bit nervous to do, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna give it a shot, and I think that I can learn something from this as well as I can teach something from this. So I was going to do a review of the Juvia's Place foundation. So I went to Ulta and I was looking for my shade, and you know how I told you guys I was gonna start doing samples of foundation to do a review? Well, first of all, Ulta doesn't even give samples. I'm like, you greedy ass bitches. They say because it's a full service salon, they don't give samples. So whatever, I was actually going to buy it anyways because I was so surprised by this shade, Alexandria, I believe it was. It matched me perfectly, so I was like, you know what? It's so hard for me to find a foundation that matches me perfectly, so I was just gonna buy it, but literally no stores around have it. So I posted on Twitter, they don't have the foundation, so what else should I review? And one of my friends on Twitter wrote to me and said, I think you should review my Instagram page / makeup skills, you know, because she does a makeup page. And when I say friend, I mean follower, because I don't know, I just feel weird calling people followers. I don't know, it sounds degrading to me. You know, I told you guys before. So my friend on Twitter, she gave me this idea to review her page and kind of like critique it. So I thought I would film that and do that for you guys because this is something so different. And I have to let you guys know right now, if you guys have been following me for a while now, this is gonna be a little hard for me because I am so used to being so blunt. I'm the type of person that if something doesn't look good on you, I just say, that does not look good on you at all. Like, it's hugging your lonjas, like you look fat in it. Like, you know, I'm that type of person because I want that back. Like, if something doesn't look good on me and I have really big man boobs, I want my friends to be like, damn, your man boobs are looking really big in that shirt. Like, I don't know, because I don't get offended by that type of thing. So she told me, she was like, give me some constructive criticism on my page. So I'm gonna try my hardest to be constructive, and I hope that I don't come across rude or mean or like I'm talking shit or anything like that, because I want to do this in the most polite way. I thought it would be really, really fun for me to do because it's something so different to review a follower / friend's makeup page. I don't think anybody else has ever done this before. I haven't seen it on the internet, so shout out to you, Sierra, for giving me this idea. By the way, I'll link all of her information down below. Her name is Sierra Cone. It sounds like a porn star's ice cream, you know? It's like if a porn star made an ice cream shop and they just called it Sierra Cone. Yeah, Sierra Cone. That's what I don't know. That's what I hear when I see her page. I was like, Sierra Cone, yeah. I don't know, I'm fucking weird, but to me, I was just like thinking of a porn star and an ice cream cone. I don't know. Sierra Cone. I'm just gonna say it the whole time. Sierra Cone. Just kidding. Anyways, you guys, if you guys are interested in checking out this video, then go ahead and please subscribe, because I am back on YouTube now, and this is actually my 4th video that I'm filming this week, but it's gonna go up tomorrow, which is technically next week, so I don't know why I'm saying that. Anyways, let me shut up. Subscribe to my channel, give it a big thumbs up. Go ahead and keep on watching, and once again, I'm gonna try my hardest to be very constructive, and I hope that I don't come across rude, because I would really like to give some critiques because I've been in the makeup industry for 11 years now, and I can teach some things. So let's get into this. All right, so I have my screen recording on so that way you guys can take a look with me as well. So once again, her name on Instagram is Sierra Cone. I'm gonna say that all the time. I'm so sorry. You guys are probably like, bitch, shut the fuck up, but Sierra Cone, it just sounds so porn star ice cream-ish. Anyways, her page says makeup and motherhood. She's a wife, mother, hair, and makeup artist. And she also does have a YouTube as well. So she asked me to critique her page, give her some feedback, and that's what I'm going to do. And you guys should know this by now, that I have held back from doing so many sponsored videos because I am just too blunt, and if I don't like something, I say it. So shout out to you, Sierra, for being my first critique. Wait, how do I say it? The first person that I'm reviewing. Shout out to you for giving me the idea. Anyways, let's jump into this. So taking a look at her page right away, her first 3 posts are very, very colorful. So this one that I'm looking at right here, I do like the color combination on this. However, I don't know if maybe it's your camera or something, it does look a little blurry around the edges and it doesn't look focused very well. So that's the first thing. I get a little distracted at first looking at it. The lip color is beautiful. I just wish that you would have lined your lips a little bit more, maybe with something that was like a little bit more plum and did an ombre to this beautiful shimmer lip. That would have been beautiful. But overall, I love the color of it. I like how she takes her blush all the way up past her eyebrows. I feel like that's a very 80s technique that I have a strong feeling is going to be coming back soon, when you take the blush all the way up to the brow, because I personally love that. I think that's beautiful. Looking at this photo, I love the color combination, and yeah, the only thing is, I don't know if it's just the phone or the picture resolution, I'm not too sure, but it does look a little blurry and a little distorted. So I would, if you have an iPhone, girl, use your iPhone. You could take really good photos with that. Just, I don't know, if maybe if the Facetune on the forehead, it looks really blurry right there, but it could also be the autofocus. So let's keep in mind with that. And I do want to let you guys know as well too, I'm a person, look at all my pictures. I do not blur my skin on Facetune. I like it to be, if you see my pores, you see my pores. I want it to be as real as possible. I will enhance the color of shadow and that's it. I won't blur or smooth. So let's go ahead to this post right here. Now, one thing, let's see if I can zoom in here on the eyes. This looks very blurred out right here, so I think that you may have used the blurring too much on the Facetune, or it could be the focus. I'm not too sure, but it looks very blurred out right there, and that's one thing that I look at, and I'm like, you know what, it looks kind of fake, and I like it to look a little bit more real. And let's say if you didn't blend out your shadow too much, it's okay, leave it in there, girl, because it's not always gonna be perfect 24/7, you know? So when you do something like that, I feel like it takes away the quality of your work because it's looking like you're over editing. So let's go right here. I'm zooming into the shadow. I personally would like to see it blended out a little bit more. And what would have been beautiful here is if you took like chrome yellow from MAC and just buffed it out onto your brow bone, onto where that highlight is. I think that would look gorgeous. But your color combos are bomb as fuck. I love them. The brightness is amazing. This lip color, I love. Everything, yeah, it's pretty good. My only thing is I feel like so far I would probably just tone down a little bit on the Facetune, because even looking at around the nose area, it does look blurred out as well too. So I'm sorry if I'm repeating myself. I just am a type of person that don't like Facetune too much. So let's scroll on to here, down to this look. This look is catching my eye. OMG, this is beautiful. Black and yellow to me is like amazing. What I would have done though, because this does look a little bit messy right here, is I would have put a pop of white underneath the brow right there, because if you take your whole yellow shadow and then you put a pop of yellow underneath the brow, it's just too much yellow and it looks like it's all meshed together rather than popping out and standing out. Once again, the Facetune is a little bit strong on this, a little bit too much blurred out. Girl, don't be scared to show texture. Everyone has texture. If you have pores showing, let it show, because we like real authenticness, you know? And girl, your makeup skills are good. So just show it, girl. But yes, I just would have changed the pop of yellow underneath the eyebrow. I would have put a pop of white. I think that would have contrasted really, really well. Another thing I will notice right here is too, the mascara is just a little bit messy underneath the bottom. And I am so sorry, because I feel like, damn, I'm picking at everything. So this is where I was a little nervous to do this, because I'm like, if you ask me to critique / review, I'm gonna go in depth with it, girl, and I'm not gonna hold back. So I do apologize if it seems like I'm just picking. I feel like I sound like the Simon Cowell of the makeup industry, and I hope that I don't come across as a bitch, but I'm just giving you my honest feedback as to where, if I was looking at your page, these are the thoughts that are going through my head. So, but overall, the color combo here, once again, color combo on point. Absolutely love it. I love the 2 lines of yellow on the lip. Those type of details like this, to me, I absolutely love, because it's something so different and tribal. I love it. So keep up that. Love it. Absolutely. Let's scroll into this. Oh, we have like a fairy look here with a prosthetic nose piece. This is amazing. Is this a candy cane crushed on your head? It sure is. That is. And that candy cane cut crease. Okay, this I love. I love it. And you know what I also love too? Once again, she's taking her blush. Well, you know what's probably a little bit of her shadow up right there to the brow bone. It looks amazing. This look I love. I love it. That candy cane cut crease is bomb as hell. And the crushed candy cane on the side of your face, love it. I have no complaints about this look at all. I absolutely love it. And I think that I'm gonna jock this candy cane cut crease. I'm honestly gonna jock that from you, because that looks bomb. Love it. Okay, let's scroll down to a little bit more of her post right here. Ooh, this cut crease is beautiful. I love it. Girl, you did really well with the blending. And you know what I love is that you took it into the inner corner. Looks bomb. And that little pop of glitter right there. I have no complaints here. And you know what? I don't know if maybe because you took this in the daylight, it doesn't look like you face-tuned your face so much right here. And I think that that looks really, really good. It doesn't look as blurry as the other ones. This is bomb. Absolutely love that. Let's scroll into here. Okay, so this one right here, I love the pop of color underneath the eye, and I love the pop of glitter. I will say, in my honest opinion, I really don't like this right here coming out where the liner is. I think that you should have probably winged it up so that way it had some type of movement, but it just looked very straight and harsh, and I don't know, it just doesn't kind of do anything for me. I feel like the shape should have been a little bit better. You have the shape in the inner corner down perfectly, but if you would have kind of did like a S with it, like if you came in, out, and then up, I think that would have flowed better. It would have opened up your eye, and I think that would have looked amazing. But I love how you did the pop of blue on the top, and then the pop of blue on the bottom of your left eye, and then the pop of pink or red underneath the right eye, but then the pop of red/blue on the left eye. I think that's really awesome because you're kind of doing a little mismatch crisscrossness, and I think that's a very good concept. I just would have winged it up and out a little bit more. I think that is a cool idea. So let's go on here. Oh girl, check out her before and after. Look at that, girl. You are beautiful. You are so beautiful, and your eyes, oh my gosh, beautiful. Love it. Okay, right here, this is so cool. See, I like this type of artistic thing. See, even with this right here, you see how you kind of took it up and winged it out? I think that's what you should have done on that other look. I think that looks amazing. This right here is so artistic and beautiful. I absolutely love it. I love it. It's just so awesome. I love how much color you use. See, this is something about me, is I love people that use color. I feel like, yes, I love neutrals. You guys know I love my browns and stuff, but what put me on the map is color. Putting color on my face because it stands out. It makes a statement. It's very bold. And I love that you are doing that, Sierra. You are like using so much color. You're not scared of color. And I say, keep that up, because that is what makeup is for. It's for fun, to be dramatic, you know, have fun with it. So let's scroll down a little bit more here. Oh, we have some stars. That looks beautiful. Oh, some special effects too. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I can't even really comment on special effects whatsoever because I literally, like this, I could never do. So props to you for throwing glamour in there with special effects, because I literally have no clue how to do any type of special effects whatsoever. I think that this looks awesome. Really, really cool. Scrolling on down here. Oh, see, this is really pretty right here. Yes, I like this. I don't know why, for some reason on your eye shape, I think you worked it out really well to do this little pop of cut crease. I keep saying pop of, because I'm thinking of Pop-Tarts, and I want a damn Pop-Tart right now, so bad. So I keep saying pop, but I like the way you do your cut crease in the inner corner. I think it shapes your eye really, really nice. I like that technique. Very, very cool. And we have this picture here with, I'm assuming her daughter. What this is so awesome right there. I love that. It looks like you had a really good time with that. So yeah, overall, let me just tell you my final thoughts of Sierra Cohn's Instagram. I think it's amazing that you use so much color. I love it. And girl, your makeup skills are pretty damn good. The only thing that I would do is hold back. The main thing that I noticed from looking at your page is a lot of Facetune. It looks like you blurred out your skin a lot. And honestly, girl, if you have texture, do not be embarrassed of your texture. Show your texture. But then it could also be the camera, because let me tell you guys something. I had this habit of thinking people's stuff is Facetune a long time ago. This was like 3 years ago when I was getting into Instagram and social media and stuff like that. And I purchased a Sony a500, and that camera blurs the hell out of skin. And every time I took a selfie, I was like, ugh, I look so edited. So I changed to a Canon T6i, and that looks way more real, shows the skin texture. So I don't know if it's just the camera that you're using or Facetune, but I will say your skin looks a little bit too blurred in my personal opinion, but to each their own. If that's the look that you like, then hey girl, go for it. I'm just giving you my little 2 cents, but I do love the color that you do, and I love the techniques that you have. I think it's very beautiful. So you guys, that wraps up this video. I am sorry if I was overcritical, but I just wanted to go in depth and I wanted to give my honest feedback. And thank you so much, Sierra. I can't thank you enough for giving me this idea, because I thought it was very cool, very original, very different. Something that I never would have done. And I think it's a good thing because it's gonna teach me how to give people constructive criticism rather than be so blunt about it, because my friends and family have always told me, like, you need to tone it down. Like, if something doesn't look good, yes, let me know, but just don't say, damn, I look like a fat potato sack, you know? So I am gonna learn to tone it down, and I think I did pretty good. I don't think I was too harsh. You guys let me know in the comments. Let me know if I was too harsh. But I really did want to give her my honest feedback, because she told me, let me have it. Tell me what you think. Give me your opinions. I want to better myself. So tell me the truth. So thank you so much once again, Sierra. And you know what? If you guys want me to review your makeup page, if you guys like this type of idea, let me know in the comments below, because I thought this was really fun, and honestly, I found some inspiration in this. Like, I love the way she does her cut crease in the inner corner, and I want to try that out now. So honestly, if you guys like me doing this, please let me know, because this is something right up my alley, something different, something fun, and this is something that I would like to do on my channel. So let me know. Make sure you guys go follow Sierra Cohn and let her know that I sent you, you know, because I wanted to know that I'm supporting her and helping her out, because I really appreciate her giving me this idea, and I really appreciate her letting me give my honest feedback on her work. So if you guys want me to check out your guys' Instagram page, your makeup skills, then go ahead and comment down below and let me know. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace out, Girl Scout.